Have you ever looked at your life and realized you're doing better, but somehow you still don't feel free? You're smiling more, you're sleeping a little better. You don't cry as often anymore, but every time your phone rings, or another unexpected bill shows up, or someone asks too much of you, your body immediately prepares for another emergency. That's exactly where Ava found herself. She was healing, but she was still surviving. It had been several months. Life wasn't perfect, but it wasn't falling apart anymore either. Ava noticed little things. She laughed a little easier. She cooked dinner a few nights that week. She even caught herself humming while cleaning the kitchen. That surprised her. For the first time in a long time, she felt normal, at least for a few minutes. Then her phone buzzed. Without thinking, her stomach tightened, her shoulders tensed, her mind immediately raced. What happened now? Who needs something? How much is this going to cost? She looked down at her phone. It was only a reminder about her dentist appointment. Ava looked around her apartment and whispered, "Why does my body still think I'm in danger?" Can I ask you something? Have you ever noticed that your life can become calmer, but your mind still expects another storm? If that's you, keep watching, because Ava was about to discover something that changed the way she viewed her healing. Later that afternoon, Ava sat quietly by her favorite window, coffee beside her, Bible unopened, just thinking. She realized something. For years, she had lived from one crisis to another, one relationship, one responsibility, one emergency, one heartbreak, one loss, one season of exhaustion after another. Survival had become familiar, peace felt unfamiliar, and that's when it hit her. Maybe nothing was actually wrong today. Maybe her nervous system just hadn't received the memo yet. Maybe she wasn't failing to heal. Maybe she was simply learning what safety felt like again. She smiled for the first time all day, not because everything was fixed, but because she finally understood herself a little better. Healing wasn't only about leaving painful seasons behind. It was also about teaching your heart and your mind that not every day has to be a battle. That evening, Ava stepped outside. She took one slow breath, looked up at the sky, and instead of wondering what disaster might happen tomorrow, she simply enjoyed the sunset, just for a moment. She wasn't completely free yet, but she wasn't where she used to be either, and maybe that was healing. If Ava's story felt familiar, I want you to know you're not alone. Sometimes healing doesn't feel dramatic. Sometimes it looks like laughing a little more, resting a little easier, or slowly realizing you don't have to brace for every tomorrow. If this story encouraged you, I'd love for you to join our Divine Sparkles family by liking this video and subscribing. New stories are released every week, each one exploring healing, growth, and hope through everyday life. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever felt like you were healing, but still living in survival mode? Your story might encourage someone else who needs to know they're not alone. Until next time, take care of your heart, give yourself grace, and remember, healing isn't a race, it's a journey. I'll see you in the next Ava story.